What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break NL, getting ready for our 5-box mixer. It's break 594 coming at you tonight. Thanks for filling it up. We're going to get started. Random teams live. Good luck. We're live in 10 minutes, actually. 11:31 in Newfoundland right now. Here's your list of names. Ryan, all the way down to Clay, and then we got Anaheim and Winnipeg. Here's your teams. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, and the timestamp as always. Timestamp on 3. 11:32. 11:32 it is. And last and final random. 4th timestamp. Let's check it out. 4th timestamp. 11:32 and 11:32. Let's copy these over. Ottawa. Top spot Vancouver. Halfway mark. Toronto to Calgary. There's teams. Let's do names and match them up. 11:32 still. And Ryan to Clay. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on the third one is at 11:32. 11:32. Last and final. Good luck. Okay, 4th and final timestamp. 11:33 and 11:33 it is. Let's copy them over. Jason, top spot. Jay at the halfway. Then Michael to Grand Falls. All right, folks. There's your teams. We'll post them in the comments. You guys can do your trades. We'll see you in less than 10 minutes now.